Hello everyone, welcome to JTech Berry, your number one go-to for tech. I'll be teaching you on how to resolve some little issues that pop ups on your personal computers. This will definitely save you some planned expenses. And what are the issues I'll be treating on? The one we will be treating on today is about Windows and Microsoft activation. Then later on, we'll know how to know if your PC is affected with virus and how to also solve it. Probably your system Wi-Fi is not working, and for plug-in not charging, you might be having an issue with your battery not charging, and you plug it in, it keeps saying plug-in not charging. We'll be solving those issues right here on this platform, and I'm all here for you guys. Thank you. So back to the Windows activation. You might be seeing some pop-up like this. Activate Windows on the bottom right corner of your PC. That means your window is not activated. Or you can also go to your Window Explorer. Also go to your Window Explorer on my PC, this PC. You right click to see if your window is activated or not. If you are using Windows 8 or Windows 10, you can go to your properties, then you just click it, open it. Under this Windows activation, you see window is activated. My own window is activated. If your own window is activated and your Microsoft Office is activated, then good to go. You are good to go. You have no issues. But if not, you can just follow my procedure as I activate those windows. Thank you. Now, there's a program we'll be using. There's a program we'll be using called All-in-One Windows Activation. This is a reloader that we are going to use to activate your PC. You can check under my link. You have upload a zip file on it, which you download. Now, you download it as a zip file. After downloading it, before you extract it, you go to your antivirus. You deactivate your antivirus. I don't know which antivirus you might be using, either Bugard, Quickest, Madhav, AVG, Avast. You just have to deactivate it. And how do you go about deactivating it? Bugard, you need to open Bugard. For Bugard own, show Bugard, dismiss. Now, I've turned off my antivirus protection here. And if you want to do yours also, you just come to this antivirus. Now I've enabled it. Now come to these settings, deactivate. Antivirus protection is on, you deactivate it. And if you are using Windows 8 also, you can just go to your settings, or rather go to control panel, then you click on system and security. Come to Windows Defender Firewall for all Windows 8 users. You come to Windows Defender Firewall, you click on it, then you turn off the Windows Defenders. Now you turn it off, then you click OK. You turn it off, you click OK for all Windows 8 users. But if you are using Windows 10, you don't need all this. All you just need is go to your settings, home, then update and security, Windows security. That's if you are not having any antivirus. Then you open Windows security. Then you turn it off because it's already off. That's why you're seeing this. So you turn it off. Thank you. Hope you all have done that. Now, after doing all those, now to extract this file. Now, I'm using WinRAR to extract my zip files. You can use 7-zip. You can use the normal Windows extraction program. Now, to extract, you right click on the program, see extract files, extract here. Since I'm extracting it on my desktop, I don't know where you might save yours to. You might download it to, either downloads or document or anything. But once you have just done this, you extract here. Now, my WinRAR is extracting it. It has been done, extracted. Now you open it. You click on yes. Clicking the yes, this is what is going to show up. This is the Windows. Then these are your Office products, Office packages. Now, if you are activating your Office, depending on the office you're using. Maybe you are using 16 upward, this is for 16 upward, this is for 13, 15 downward. Maybe you're having office 2015 or office 13, and this is for 14 downward. Means office 2010. You can also use it to activate your office 2010. So since I'm not activating my office, I'll untick it. Since I'm activating this already been ticked, so you click on active for it to be activated, then you click on yes. So we'll wait for it to get activated. So your Windows has been activated by now. Your window will give you a green sign that it has been activated. It's because my window has been activated already. That's why you are seeing a cross sign here. So you close it, you delete this text, RA1N text. You don't need it. You delete it, and you can delete the reloaders also for it not to cause a conflict for your PC, but you can keep the zip file. So you delete. Thank you. That your Windows has been activated and your Word has been activated also. And for you to confirm, you can just go to your Windows Explorer My PC, right click properties to check it again. Your window will be activated by now. So thank you. Please do click like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend how JTechBerry video helped you. Drop your comments and questions. We would really love to hear your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.